Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to deposit money in Skrill. So, let's get started. First, open the Skrill app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Add button. This will take you to the deposit section. Now, if you want to change the currency, simply tap on the currency option and select the one you prefer. For example, USD or your local currency. After that, tap on Select Payment Method. Skrill will show you different options such as credit card, debit card, or other available methods depending on your region. Choose your preferred method. For example, if you select credit or debit card, enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV. You can also save your card details for future use if you want. Next, tap on Continue and enter the amount you want to deposit. Review the details and confirm the transaction. Once the payment is successful, the money will appear in your Skrill account balance. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.